Hello, here are the headlines in today's Daily Echo. A burglar has scaled up scaffolding to steal from the 7th floor of Southampton high-rise. Police believed at least one thief, possibly disguised as a workman, climbed up the scaffolding surrounding Oslo Towers and Weston. It comes just 3 months after residents of neighbouring flats raised the security fears about the scaffolding. In other news, a new Oyster-style card is set to be introduced for public transport in Hampshire. The card will allow passengers to use a variety of transport by topping it up with credit. Meanwhile, the police have launched an investigation into an alleged theft of thousands of pounds from a Hampshire Conservative club. We also report from court as the jury hears how a jobless charity worker racked up an £8,000 bill on board a P&O cruise, despite having just £200 in his bank account. And in sport, the Saints squad has returned to its first team training ahead of the Premier League kick-off in August. For all this and more, pick up a copy of today's Daily Echo.